Hey, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone's having a good day out there. So you might be thinking all the recalls recently with Hondas and Acuras might have you steering toward a different brand. We know cars aren't built the same like they used to be. Way more issues than they should, especially when you buy brand new cars. But a new one just came out that I think you guys would be interested in that will go to show that it's happening to all manufacturers across the board here. But this one's a little bit more serious as well because it actually catch your car on fire. So let me go ahead and explain what just came out. So we all know that a lot of cars nowadays have recalls. But usually Toyota doesn't have quite as many as I've been seeing, but they just issued a pretty substantial recall that affects one of their best-selling cars, the Camry, and also the Corolla. And like I said, this one just came out a few weeks ago. And what it has to do with, it only happens on hybrids. So that's one thing. If you have a gas model, it's not going to pertain to you. But if you have a hybrid, it could be cause of a loose bolt that can cause a fire actually in the vehicle. And what Toyota is saying is it traces back to the inverter assembly in the hybrid powertrain. And they're saying that a bolt can come loose and it creates an open circuit that'll trigger a sudden power loss. So you'll be driving and it'll just shut power automatically to the vehicle. And Toyota calls it limp mode, which you guys know in the Honda world, it's kind of the same thing. And then Toyota says in some cases this short circuit can generate enough heat that can actually start a fire while your vehicle's running. So you can see it could be a potentially real hazardous issue here and burn your car down or cause injuries and all that kind of stuff. So it's definitely, that's why it falls in the recall category, because it is a safety issue here. But the only problem with this is that there's no repair yet for this. So they're issuing this, but they don't have a fix at the time this came out a few weeks ago. But if you guys own one of these, you should be getting a letter if yours is one of the affected ones by February 13th of this year. And then they say since they don't have a permanent solution right now, they'll contact the owners when they actually have a repair procedure that's finalized. And of course, this will be free when they do. But as of right now, there's no timeline for when this procedure will actually hit the dealerships. So it means that there's not a fix at this moment. And how you as the owner would know is it says that the Toyota's hybrid system warning lights will illuminate on your dashboard. So if you guys are getting any of those lights on, it could be because of this loose bolt. So it's something to definitely stay aware of. And then if you're looking for a used 2025 or 2026 Camry or Corolla Cross Hybrid, you definitely want to verify the recall status before you sign the paperwork because it has to be completed. And you definitely don't want to buy it and have to go through all this yourself. You want to have the dealer take care of it before you sign anything. So you want to make sure if you're shopping those vehicles to ask the dealer that there's a recall out and make sure that you see it where it shows that it's completed. And as of right now, there's no fix on it. So if you're buying one, it wouldn't be able to be fixed anyway with a permanent solution. So just something to keep in mind. So I just wanted to bring this to your guys' attention. Like I said, especially the Toyota Camry is a very popular vehicle. A lot of people have them. Maybe one of you guys do too. So especially the hybrids. So let me know in the comment section if you guys own one of these and what your thoughts are. Again, if you do have one, definitely call your dealer and get this process rolling because when the repairs become available, you want to get in line so you get that fixed as fast as possible. So again, I hope everyone's having a good day out there, being safe. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.